In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Skool account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from the sign up page to having your own account ready to use. First, open your web browser and go to the Skool sign up page. You can do this by typing the Skool website address into your browser and navigating to the sign up section. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you start, because you don't want the page to refresh in the middle of filling out your details. Once you're on the sign up page, look for the button that says Create Your Community. This is the main option you'll use to begin setting up your Skool account. Go ahead and click that button, and it will take you to a form where you'll enter your basic information. You'll see a field for your first name. Click into that field and type in your real first name. Using your actual name helps keep your account professional and makes it easier for people to recognize you inside communities later on. Next, move to the field for your last name. Type in your last name just as you'd like it to appear on your profile. Again, keeping this accurate is important for building trust and making sure your account looks legitimate. Below that, you'll find the email field. Enter the email address you want to use with Skool. This should be an email you check regularly because Skool will send you important notifications and, most importantly, a verification code to this address. Take a moment to double check for any typos, since a small mistake here can prevent you from completing your sign up. Now, create a password in the password field. Choose something secure that you don't use on every other website. A good approach is to combine letters, numbers, and symbols. While I won't go into specific password rules here, aim for something that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. When all the fields are filled out correctly, look for the sign up button and click it. If everything was entered properly, Skool will create your basic account and immediately send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone and look for the message from Skool. Inside that email, you'll find a verification code. Enter that code back on the Skool verification page. Once the code is accepted, your account will be verified and you'll be able to fully access your Skool account and start setting up your community and profile from there.